Hello, and welcome back to the Acre Life. A little while ago, I was lucky enough to be given a large piece of honeycomb from a local beehive. I didn't have any honey spinning apparatus or any other idea of how to get honey out of a honeycomb, so I jumped onto YouTube, had a look at a few videos, and found a way of doing it manually. So let's go and check out the video. It's amazing that a group of insects can work together to build such a complex, intricate structure. I feel a little bad when I look at the honeycomb and think about how many bee hours went into making it, but that sweet, sweet honey is just too good. Sorry, bees. Each cell is capped with a layer of wax. Cutting down across the caps immediately begins to release the honey. As you pass the knife through the uncapped cells, the honey really starts to flow. I tried to get as much honey to run freely out of the cells before mashing the wax into a ball and trying to squeeze the remaining honey out. We've kept the wax to melt down and make some candles in one of our other videos. I didn't have any cheesecloth or a finer mesh sieve, so there were some very small bits of wax that got through. These tend to float to the surface where they can be scooped off. The scent of the honey is incredible. It contains the condensed nectar of thousands upon thousands of local flowers and carries with it a heady mixture of fragrances and flavor compounds. The nectar undergoes a series of complex chemical changes as it is processed by the bees into honey, while the water content is reduced from roughly 80% to around 18%. I have to admit, I was happier before I found out exactly how this all happens. I'm not sure I wanted to know that the nectar is slurped up by the forager bees who mix it with enzymes in their stomachs. They then go back to the hive and regurgitate it into the house bees, who go into a 20-minute loop of regurgitating and re-drinking the mixture until enough moisture has been removed. The mixture is finally transferred to the cells of the honeycomb, which are capped with wax for storage. I was surprised at how much honey actually came out of this piece of honeycomb. We ended up with just over a litre of honey. As you can see, it was a very sticky business. The honey tasted amazing, and it was a really interesting process. I hope you learned something. I hope you weren't too grossed out by some of the facts about how honey's made. I'm Nick. You're awesome. This is the Acre Life.